More breaking updates coming in, especially with regards to the drug angle that has emerged. Remember, the the Narcotics Control Bureau is working as far as that angle is concerned. And now sources are telling Republic TV that they're looking for an approver in the case who could help them with the probe. That, of course, will be a big breakthrough if that does happen. And that would provide them not just ammunition, but proof to take forward the case against the likes of Rhea Chakrabarti and others who are being implicated into the drug angle as well. Let me also go across to my colleague Atul, who's joining us. So Atul, the hunt for an approver is on. It can be anybody who has sold them drugs, who was forced to have drugs, or was present with them when consumption was taking place. Tell us more of what you're learning.
Well, the NCB team is working on two lines. First is that they are looking for an approver because whosoever was attending the party, whosoever was serving the drugs, and whosoever was being forced to take the drugs, all can turn approver against the accused person. And the approver will play important role in the probe because whenever his testimony, his or her testimony will be recorded, the court can take the court, it can inspire the confidence of the court. So definitely it can be used as an evidence before the court that this person was present there, and he is saying that these guys were serving this kinds of contraband or the drugs to this person. So definitely the approval will play an important role. And I personally have spoken to the top brass officers of the NCB, and they have confirmed that yes, they are looking for an approval. And who can be the approver? The six or seven people can be the approver. They have made a list of them, but they have not revealed the names of the person who they are trying to approach to be persuade them to be an approver. Second thing is that they are also mulling to serve summons upon all the accused persons under 91 CRPC. Under 91 CRPC, there is a provision that any probing agency, whether it be the police or whether it be the CBI or the ED or the NCB, they can summon the persons, the accused persons or the witness to produce documents or to collect documents from them or for the recoveries of documents.
Okay.
Remember, the rave parties were conducted by the accused persons. This role has come to forward. So definitely to prove that the rave parties were being conducted, they need some kinds of documents, and to collect the documents for the recovery of documents, it was necessary for them to take such kind of step that 91 CRPC someone should be served upon the accused person. The first one is that approver can play an important role. Second thing is that the 91 CRPC. So no doubt the NCB is taking all the necessary steps and to form their case. They are also taking the legal opinion from their legal departments. And whatever we are breaking on the Republic TV, we are just first confirming from the sources, first confirming from the top brass, and then we are breaking these two lines of the NCB. First, that they are going to, they are looking for someone as an approver, and second, that 91 CRPC, someone will be served upon them. These two are confirmed, and these are the important steps in the probe. Yeah.
All right, so very important details that Republic TV is picking up. Of course, the role of an approver can be quite crucial. It can be a clinching evidence that can nail all accused in this matter, especially the drug angle that is being probed by the NCB now. And there could be far more people who could be involved or who could come under the scanner as part of this investigation. Remember, there are many allegations that surface from time to time, that there is a big drug cartel nexus that prevails, and there's a lot of consumption or dealing of drugs that is taking place, particularly linked with the film industry. So Sushant Singh Rajput case continues to get bigger.